Today I'm going to be unboxing this package that I got from a seller from Amazon. Okay, it looks like a power strip. Oh wow. So it comes with a detachable cord. The cord is pretty long. The color is black. That goes in. And it looks like this is one that you could take along with you when you're traveling. Here's the power on and off. It has 3 outlets. Also, it has charging for anything that looks like an iPad, iPod, and an iPhone. So I'll have all the information where you can get this, how much it costs, in the description box.